Alright guys, welcome back with this fun project that I'm trying to do where I am converting the 450 XK here, fighter, vtol, from this kind of configuration to something that's more like this, where it should hopefully be able to fly just going up like this, not like a quadcopter, but you see this kind of configuration. So instead of being a drone, fly more like a plane, which it could also do in its original configuration. But unfortunately, as you can see here, because it was set up with rotors like this, and there's no prop guard or anything when they're attached. If it's flying like this and it lands, the first thing it does is the rotor will touch the ground and destroy the rotor. So I was trying to find another way to get this done. So I made a lot of bad assumptions about this plane in previous videos. For instance, I said that these flaps here could only go one up and the other one down, but actually that's not true. They can also go up together and down together, and also go one up and one down. So I was wrong about that, and I always like to correct myself in my videos if I make a mistake. If somebody points it out or I figure it out myself, I want to make sure I give out the best possible information about these things that I work on. But anyway, another problem that I ran into was put on this really cool landing gear, but after careful consideration, what I discovered was that on the inside it has this huge piece of metal with a coil on it, and that was really weighing it down in the front, causing problems with its CG. So I decided to get rid of that, and I created this kind of weird thing here that looks terrible, but it works pretty well. And what I'll do is I'll have it inserted here, just like that. As you can see here, it works perfectly fine. It may break after a few falls because it is just polystyrene, but it's very light, and so it'll do its job. And usually, since it doesn't require a lot of stress on the front wheel, since usually it'll just go up vertically like that, it should be okay for a while. So that's another thing, another problem that I ran into and found a quick solution to. Anyway, in the next video I'm going to start showing you guys how I disassemble all this stuff here and some of the other problems that I ran into. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.